Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of some unique, colorful patterns of Friendship Day card decoration ideas that you can create these sort of decorative cards to make your friends more happy and surprising by creating these sort of handmade cards for your friends that they will love the most. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and love to create them for your friend. In this video, I bring some latest collection or unique ideas of Friendship Day cards. These are some handmade collection of cards to make more happy on this Friendship Day by creating these sort of uniquely designed or decorated cards to gift these sort of decorative handmade cards to your friend on this Friendship Day with some gifts you want to give to your friend on this special day. Viewers, these are some uniquely designed ideas that I will bring for you all to make your friend more happy on this Friendship Day. You can create these sort of ideas, whether you want to create these ideas by using some paper crafts or some cardboard cards can also be created for your friend by creating different ribbon decorations around it or creating different flowery patterns created from some uniquely decorated cards or painting ideas, or you can use different unique concepts to make these cards. Viewers, you can also create different quilling paper craft ideas on these cards to make it more unique for your friend. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some creative ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will like this collection. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.